Welcome back, gorgeous mama. Are you wondering how to use lavender essential oil, especially with your kids? You found the right video. Hi, my name is Stephanie Calderon. I'm a mom to 2 daughters. I'm a certified essential oil specialist, and I've been teaching people how to use essential oils for their kids for the past 15 years. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so that you're notified every single time I post a new video. Stick around to the end. I have something really amazing that you are gonna wanna snag. So we all have heard of lavender, but how exactly do we use it? And how do we know if it's safe for our kids? Lavender is called the Swiss Army knife of essential oils. It has 200 different chemical constituents that make it up. So there are so many different things that you can do. But again, I know you're busy, tired, and overwhelmed. We're not gonna make this an extremely long video. We're gonna go through it very quickly so you have a handle on how to use lavender. First of all, lavender is extremely calming and soothing for your emotions. So a drop put in your diffuser, mixed in a roller bottle, and put on the bottoms of your feet, behind your ears, or on your wrist. You can also put a drop in your kids' hands, have them take deep breaths, inhale it, take those deep breaths to slow down their heart rate and be calming if they are having an emotional outbreak. Lavender is also soothing for your skin. If you've been out in the sun too long, if you've got bit by something when you're out in the great outdoors, or if you touch something that's hot, you can put lavender on it and it's gonna soothe that area. Lavender is also great as a diffuser recipe to help with sleep. If you look up any sort of sleep recipes for your diffuser, lavender is usually included in it. So about 30 minutes before you go to bed, you're gonna wanna put 3 drops of lavender in your diffuser. It's gonna fill that room up. And remember, our sense of smell is directly linked to the part of our brain that controls our emotions and our memories. So it's going to signal calm, time to sleep. Lavender can also be really soothing in an Epsom salt to help soothe aching muscles and to help you relax before bed. So you're gonna take about a cup of Epsom salt, put a couple drops of lavender, run it under the running water, and soak in that before bed. This is definitely one I would always have in my house because of its soothing emotional properties, help with sleep, help calming. It can help with occasional muscle aches and pains, calming head tension, and overall just providing a soothing presence in your home. As promised, you are going to want to snag what I have for you. It is a kid-safe essential oil list. You can find the link for that in the description below, also pinned into the comments. You are doing amazing, mama. Sometimes it's just nice to have a little helper.